So I know you are eager to unlock this Paws mystery quest, and I'm going to help you to actually unlock this quest. But actually, it's not what you are thinking. Not at all. It's actually not what you are thinking. So, over the couple of hours, I've seen a lot of people doing some crazy things, trying to get this mystery quest solved and get the 1 million Paws. Is that not amazing? For this now to be added to my balance, that will be 1.4 million. Wow, I'll be at the top of the world. So, how do you unlock this quest? So let me take you to X, where this announcement was posted for you to actually see for yourself. So look at it now. They said new secret quest is live. Some challenges are not meant to be solved. That is how to unlock the mystery quest. Some challenges are not meant to be what? Solved. They are insurmountable. Maybe there is more than you think. Then the picture attached to it, it said, there is no tax. I love you. Then if you look at it, it said less than 3. Now go to their, if you scroll up, if you check this place now, they are close to 1 million. And yesterday, when they posted it, I think the what is remaining is less than 300,000. So their quest is to achieve this, which is 1 million. You get the point now. So it's remaining like 50,000 for this quest to be unlocked, for this quest to be achieved. I'm thinking probably if they can achieve it, maybe they can give 1 million to those that actually participated and ensure that they get this quest done. And what I'm also thinking is this: maybe if you refer and your referrer actually subscribe to this, maybe there is a system on how they will actually reward you if you actually make this happen. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. So let's wait and see how this thing goes. But in my own opinion, I will advise you invite your referrer and let your referrer subscribe to their um, Twitter or X handle. So let's see how it goes. But you don't need to bother yourself. There's no tax whatsoever. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like a video, and more importantly, if you are not in a Telegram channel, I want to tell you you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. So check the link in the screen of this video and join our Telegram channel. Having access to adequate information at the right time matters a lot. So therefore, please join our Telegram channel and do well to subscribe. See you for more updates.